Hey guys, so this week I saw a post by Filthy Co RC, which was shared by Frank the Tank, or the Tank, if you will. Uh, he's basically doing a Tamiya build-off, which was done a lot by Steve O.D., which passed away not that long ago. And I figured, what the heck? Take part of it, right? I got a couple of Tamiyas I can work with. So I have a couple of ideas using an m02 chassis and a modified Blackfoot body that I had used previously for crawling. So let's take a look. So I've already started taking apart the m02. There's obviously not much to them in general. I'm currently printing another part for the middle here. Actually, this goes this way. I needed a longer wheelbase, so I'm printing this to match the wheelbase on this Blackfoot. Now, like I said before, this Blackfoot was modified to fit onto a crawler chassis. As you can see, it's got the full interior with driver and passenger. It's got a custom front and grille with actually working headlights and corner markers. Some axial mirrors, lights. But the kicker is this. The rear end was widened in order to fit the crawler chassis and match the front extended fenders or fender flares. As you can see here, it's got the full light set unit, which has the flashers and all that stuff. But by putting this chassis on here and having all these components here like so, the wheelbase doesn't quite match. I don't remember what the wheelbase was, but I need to go to 242 in order to match the Blackfoot, if I'm not mistaken. So the piece I'm printing here for this is obviously a little bit longer. It's going to be much wider as well. It's basically just going to be an empty compartment, if you will. Hopefully I can clear enough room to keep the interior in. But I had a bit of an idea in order to do that. The front clip on this car, on this chassis, is pretty much empty, aside from this screw here. So we can easily remove this screw, put something down lower, and drill a hole down lower, and solidify it in a slightly different way than what it is there, and cut out the top here to put a servo in it. Now, I don't understand why they didn't do this in the first place. It just makes so much sense to put it there instead of having it all the way back here and having a long link. I don't know, it might just be me, but I think is much better idea to put it closer to the front. Obviously we won't be needing the other servo, which was used to control the old MSC controller, or speed controller, and these old, I don't know if you can see what they are. Well, these are old high-tech servos. There you go. So, never really cared for these old MSCs. I was really happy when they got rid of those. So yeah, that's about what I got. I'm not sure how I'm going to mount the body yet. Get the custom rear tailgate with lights. We got my old LED wheel logo, which I'm going to have to get all kinds of stickers made already because, well, just because. So I'll keep you guys posted. I got the other build that's going to be happening too, the VS410 portal. It's got a lot of stuff to do, among other projects. But I'm going to try to focus on these two and get back to you as soon as possible. Ciao.